Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Vjkhan-Family-Entertainment. Ramadan Mubarak to all our viewers. In today's video we will discuss the Iftar and Suhoor timings in Dubai so you can stay updated on your fasting schedule. Ramadan is a blessed month where Muslims fast from dawn to sunset. In Dubai, the fasting duration will be approximately 14 hours, and Suhoor and Iftar timings are determined based on prayer times. After having Suhoor late at night, the fast begins with the Fajr prayer. Fajr occurs before sunrise, and it is important to stop eating and drinking at this time. When the sun sets, the Maghrib prayer marks the time for Iftar. In Dubai, Iftar timings will change by a few minutes daily, so staying updated is essential. We bring you the official Dubai prayer timings, as issued by the General Authority of Islamic Affairs and Endowments. Since the Islamic calendar follows the lunar cycle, Ramadan moves up by about 11 days every year. This means that fasting hours and timings change annually. In Dubai, it is crucial to observe Suhoor and Iftar at the correct times. A special tradition in Dubai is the firing of the Iftar cannon every day at sunset to signal the breaking of the fast. This is a beautiful Islamic custom that has been followed for generations. We pray that this Ramadan brings blessings and mercy to everyone. If you want more updates on fasting in Dubai, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to like and share this video. Vjkhan-Family-Entertainment, where news, entertainment, and information come together. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive our latest updates.